Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we would be looking at, is it possible to add a string and an integer value or a string and a number? Example, I have to display Ram had 10 apples. Now is it possible that we could have these displayed in the same thing? Let's check it out. So I'll say Ram had 10 apples. Now that's something that should be working now, but we were trying to see to add strings with the numbers, right? So, and if we go with the plus operator and say apples, do you think this would go or will it fail? Now the thing is, this will actually fail because 10 is that the number 10 that we see here, right? This is as an integer and not as a string. Now if I put it inside inverted commas, now this becomes a string in itself. But then if you see that there is no space before and after 10, so I'll quickly add these two spaces and this becomes one way of writing it. We hope you liked the video and that it's adding more value. If you want to see more such these, please encourage us by hitting the like button and sharing the video to reach more people. Thank you so much for watching. Keep having a good time.